convection. Convection is the mode of heat flow in which molecule itself move from one place to other place to transfer the energy. For the convection, a current is created. A current is created from the lower density to higher density, or high temperature to low temperature, or high temperature to low temperature. Like if we keep water in the container and we heat it from bottom, then the molecule here will move to this, that is higher temperature to lower temperature, and those at the lower temperature will take place of the molecule at higher temperature. So exactly what happens when we heat the lower portion, then the density of this portion decreases, and as the density decreases, so lower density substance will go to the top. Okay? Lower density substance will go to the top, and the top higher density substance will come to the bottom. This is what is called as natural convection, where convection is happening on its own. And in natural convection, heating bottom to top and cooling top to bottom. That is in the natural convection. Forced convection, you can do anyway, like fan is moving in the room, that is a forced convection. You put the cold drink in the glass and put some ice blocks in the glass and stir it, that is what? Forced convection, right? Natural convection possible in presence of gravity. अगर ग्रेविटी नहीं है तो नेचुरल कन्वेक्शन नहीं होगा, ठीक है? दैट इज पॉसिबल ओनली इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रेविटी, राइट? सो दैट्स वेरी सिंपल. बट फॉर द वाटर, cooling of water, for that let's take a system, freezing of lake. Freezing of lake. Suppose this is lake and that is the top surface of lake, and surrounding temperature come down to minus 20 degrees C, right? When surrounding temperature will come down to minus 20 degrees C, or the temperature will decrease gradually or whatsoever happen, but overall the surrounding temperature come over. So as soon as the surrounding temperature decreases, this layer cools, its density increases, and this layer move to the bottom, and another layer will go to the top. So a convection current will develop from top to bottom, and accordingly gradually the temperature will start decreasing for the whole lake. For the whole lake, temperature will start decreasing till 4 degrees C. When the temperature is 4 degrees C, then after 4 degrees C, convection is stopped. After 4 degrees C, convection is stopped because of anomalous behavior of the water. 4 डिग्री सी पे डेंसिटी पानी की मैक्सिमम होती है. अगर हम उसे बियॉन्ड कूल करेंगे तो डेंसिटी कम होना शुरू कर देती है. अगर हम टेम्परेचर वर्सेस डेंसिटी चार्ट देखें वाटर का, सो दिस इज लाइक दिस, एंड दिस मैक्सिमम डेंसिटी इज एट 4 डिग्री सी. So you heat it beyond 4 degree C or you cool it beyond 4 degree C, the density always decreases. So now what happened when we reach to the 4 degree C? When we reach to the 4 degree C, the whole system get divided in 2 parts. It is like this is ice which is freezed. because now convection has stopped. So top layer will be cooled and will keep on cool and then it will get freeze. तो top layer freeze हो जाएगी. And that time जो temperature होगा system का, suppose surrounding temperature -20 डिग्री C है, तो surrounding तो -20 डिग्री C ही रहेगा. The temperature of this interface, क्योंकि ये interface है water and ice का, तो water and ice are at same temperature water and ice are available at temperature 0 degree C. So the interface of this ice and water surface will be 0 degree C and bottom temperature will be 4 degree C. So there will be a temperature gradient 4 to 0 and then 0 to surrounding temperature. Because of this temperature gradient, heat flow through conduction. So that conduction process goes on. And because of the conduction process, this layer of ice keep on increasing. Layer of ice increase hoti jayegi. But this process become very slow because now it is not convection, it is conduction. And ice is a bad conductor of heat. So accordingly, heat flow become very slow. Heat flow इतना कम हो जाता है कि पूरी लेक कभी फ्रीज नहीं हो पाती. In fact, अगर हम बात करें y thickness of ice, so time to freeze y thickness, T is proportional to y square. Y square यानी जो थिकनेस का स्क्वायर है उतना टाइम होगा. मीन्स अगर थिकनेस डबल करता हूं, सो इट विल टेक 4 टाइम्स. लाइक फॉर 1 centimeter if it take 4 hours, so then for 2 centimeter it will take 16 hours, right? In other way, we can also say that time to freeze consecutive equal thickness of layer is 1:3:5:7 and so on. Like अगर first 1 centimeter freeze होने में 1 घंटा लगा, तो नेक्स्ट 1 सेंटीमीटर फ्रीज होने में 3 घंटे लगेंगे, नेक्स्ट 1 सेंटीमीटर फ्रीज होने में 5 घंटे लगेंगे. तो इस तरह से ये टाइम इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि लेक बॉटम तक कूल नहीं हो पाते. एंड दैट इज़ द सेवियर फॉर एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स like the frogs, fishes. So that become the savior because during the winter session they move to the bottom because the bottom temperature is 4 degrees C and that temperature is sufficient for them to survive, right?